Hello guys, this is Altcoin Apex with you, another video. So the move that the video that predicted this entire move, this one that you are seeing, has only 7 views. Well, I know I'm a boring guy, but guys, come on, don't only look for dopamine-filled, crazy face videos. Maybe I should start including in my videos pictures like this, that I'm surprised and shock face, warning, all the trigger words, so everybody gets interested again. But remember, in my previous video, I was talking about S&P to recover the two gaps. Nasdaq already recovered both of it. Here, this is from my previous video. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. It will be very helpful. It is a boring video because all analysis usually are boring because it doesn't have any promises where price will go, what it will do, but it has a lot of probability aspect of it. So when you know the probability, which side of the trade you want to be, then you will make money. So we took a trade. I took a trade on Ethereum. Uh, Let me show you. The trade was, my entry was somewhere here at 1490 or whatever, this area. Give me 1 second. It was somewhere about here, 1490 area, I think. So we caught this whole entire move. Uh, Before that, I already had some spot positions as well. I have Algorand, I have ICP, and couple of other positions like Caspa. I was stopped out. Since then, I haven't entered yet because Caspa's momentum is also slightly down, and I don't have extra money to put in Caspa. But what I'm seeing is that very oversold levels on Ethereum. So I have entered, and we made some money. If you've paid attention to my previous video, we were supposed to recover these two uh, gaps. That was, one was around 6% move, and another one was about 9% move. So the Nasdaq and S&P actually is correlated to all the cryptocurrency market is correlated to Nasdaq and S&P. So every time when they move for few let's say 5-6% S&P move will result to 8-9-10% in altcoins and 3-4-5% in Bitcoin. So it is a close correlation, guys. Every time, if you watch my video, I will try to include stock market as well, what they are doing, if we are overbought, oversold, and how it's going overall in macro. But I would really encourage you to pay attention. So now, where we go from here? Let's open the Bitcoin chart and actually Bitcoin dominance chart and see if we can push up, or this analysis that I made few weeks ago is going to come true, because we have been rejected once more right in this area. Let me put an arrow in there so you can see. Here I was looking forward to get rejection because of this previous candle that was huge wick right here. It didn't follow through with any other bullish candles. So this one is also kind of rejected on the daily. So until we close above this level with the daily candle, we are more likely headed downwards, at least to this support zone, which in my opinion, we're coming there. Let me put a rectangle on it. So the next support zone for Bitcoin dominance is somewhere about here. We might be headed towards there. So that will result in altcoins to pump a little bit, but I wouldn't bet all my money on all altcoins at the moment, because the momentum still in total three, and overall altcoin market is down. So if you want to take a look at any other charts, let's say Ethereum dominance chart, it's still momentum is down. We didn't even on the daily cross the 21 SMA yet. If you didn't notice that, we are below it. So until we're above it, secure, just like this candle, and then follow through with the next candle, a couple of daily candles above 21 SMA, Ethereum dominance is not returned to upside. So don't bet your house on it. Every pump you make money, just take it out of the market, wait for a pullback. Just like what I did right now. We go to 5 minute chart. Every time when I see we are below 5 minute chart, I'm exiting the market. As soon as we're above it, I will enter it and wait until we break it down like completely below 21 SMA on the 5 minutely. So that will save you a lot of money. If you're really uh, wanting for confirmation, check the 3 minute as well. So 3 minute, as soon as you get a bullish candle like this, right above it, go to 5 minutely and see how it's looking. Even 5 minute is above, and you can enter and wait all the way until you are below, just like here. Let me, okay, it's locked. Let me show you. Just like here, for example, as soon as you're below it, exit your position so you can buy it back lower at a later stage. And this worked out for me so far. And I saw a few comments before in my videos that some people are using this strategy and it's making them quite a good money. And the RSI momentum, for example, it should be in confluence in most of the cases, like here. If RSI is heavily oversold and then coming back up, at the same time, you're having price above the 5 minute SMA, that's your confirmation that you can enter and wait. If we break down with a nice red candle, then exit the market. No need to wait. Like, for example, here, if you break down and close below it, exit the market. That should make you some money or save you some money in case if you are in the market trading, or even if you're just spot holding. Wouldn't it be nice to buy it back with the much better satoshis? Because if you that's how I increased my Ethereum position. Actually, on my spot also, I only had 0.48 uh, Ethereum. That's actually less than half Ethereum. Now I have zero point 0.60 Ethereum. Plus, I took some profits in cash, like USDT. I sold it on P2P market, made some expenses covered. But as long as your satoshis are growing and you're making some money, why not? Because just holding on spot wallet and hoping for the best might not make a lot of sense in this market. So in any case, sorry for this rant. You guys make sure follow me and watch my videos. I will be talking about a lot of other altcoins according to requests. In case you have, put it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.